A lemon law case is simply a claim filed under the state lemon law statute alleging that the manufacturer breached their written warranty. The warranty itself is not a guarantee that a vehicle will be repaired. It is merely a promise to cover any repairs that occur during that warranty period. However, the lemon law and affiliated breach of warranty statutes say the repair has to be done in a reasonable number of repair attempts. If manufacturers cannot conform a vehicle to their written warranty within a reasonable time frame, the law provides for financial compensation for the owner of the defective vehicle.